In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use topic research in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool and how to set it up so you can uncover strong content ideas quickly and confidently. Start by heading to your main dashboard. This is your home base in the platform, and it's the fastest way to get to all the tools you need. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Site SEO. That section organizes the research features you'll use most often. Under the Content Ideas area, you'll see Topic Research. Go ahead and click it. This opens the workspace designed to help you brainstorm and evaluate content angles without guesswork. At the top, you'll see a search field. Type in the topic you want to explore. For example, you could enter virtual reality. Choose a phrase that reflects the core subject you plan to cover. If you already have a niche in mind, try including a qualifier in your topic, like an audience, a use case, or an industry term, so the ideas you get back align more closely with your goals. Keeping the topic clear and focused at this stage will save time later and help you avoid generic suggestions. Before you run the search, you can optionally set the country, region, city, and language. These settings are especially useful if your content needs to match a specific market. Choosing a country tailors the ideas to national trends and search behavior. Narrowing to a region or city helps if you serve a local audience or want to capture interest in a particular area. Selecting a language makes sure the results reflect how people actually phrase their questions and searches, which can be very different from one language to another. If you're unsure, start broad with the country and language that best match your primary readers, then refine location later as needed. Once your topic and any targeting options are set, hit Content Ideas. That's the key action that pulls everything together. The tool will generate structured suggestions around your topic, helping you see angles, questions people ask, and subtopics that deserve attention. This is where you can start evaluating which ideas match your strategy, audience intent, and the depth you want to cover. Keep an eye out for patterns in wording or recurring themes. Those clues often point to content that performs well. And that's it. From dashboard to SEO, into topic research, enter your topic, set your market if you want to, and hit Content Ideas. With this simple flow, you'll consistently uncover focused content opportunities grounded in real search interest.